I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient banana bread balls. These are vegan, paleo, refined sugar-free, and only require 2 main ingredients. So if you love an easy recipe that's great for adults and kids, grab these ingredients and make this for Valentine's Day. Smash up bananas, then add my digestive support protein powder. This is a flour substitute that keeps it grain-free and vegan. I coated mine with chocolate, but that's completely optional. These legit taste like banana bread and kind of remind me of banana bread truffles. The full recipe is listed below, and don't forget to follow for more easy to digest recipes.